And just like that, you too can have an outdoor RV shower. All right, so for those of you who have taken out your washer dryer like we did, like that, see how that just fell out of there? I'd already unscrewed it. So what we're gonna do today is instead of just having this random hole in our RV, this was what was there before it fell out. So instead of just having that random hole, I ordered a outdoor shower kit. So what we're gonna do is the shower kit requires 11 by 6 inch hole. So we're gonna first remove this, it's 4 screws, take that out. And as you can see, the shower kit, here's the shower kit, really nice. The only thing I've read about this that isn't so good is the shower head. It's not an on-off on the shower head itself, it's a trickle. So if you end up replacing the shower head, that's fine, but the enclosure itself is great. So it has a 11 by 6 outside enclosure here. So what we're gonna do is make an 11 by 6 hole, and I already squared it up here on the side of the RV just using a framing square there, and did my measurements, 11 by 6. Let me take a step out. So what we're gonna do now is cut it out. Now, one thing that I would like to mention here is you want to make sure that no water lines are behind the cut. So for me, our washer dryer was there, so you want to make sure that you kind of push those to the side, make sure you don't cut them. And you want to make sure that the drain line, for us it was our washer drain line, you want to make sure that that is also not behind your cut. You don't want a water leak, so make sure to push those out like you can see I'm doing there, and you should be good to go. You also want to make sure you do your cut just slightly bigger than 11 by 6, just to make sure it gets in there. Now, I didn't capture this on camera because I got excited about the silicone. But what I did is I just silicone around the inside profile of where I made that cut. And I also did the holes there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, wait, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 holes. So make sure when I screw these things in there, I'm gonna go back over that. But basically slid it right in with the silicone behind there so it gets a good seal. I'm gonna screw it in there, and then we'll do another seal around the outside if we think we need to. Now, as far as the connections on the inside of the RV, I didn't get a video of this, but mostly if you have a washer dryer, it's going to be a 3/4 inch line that's there, and then this shower connection is a 1/2 inch line. So what you want to do is you want to go buy a 1/2 inch water line, and you want to get a 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch converter. So I'll put a link in the description below on where you can buy that. Lake scum creatures going back in your RV. Links below. All right, Cash, your turn.
No.